until the seatbelt signs are switched off. For your comfort and safety, we recommend you keep your seatbelt loosely fastened whenever you're seated. Please keep the aisle free at all times to allow customers and crew to pass by freely, and you'll find the washrooms located at each end of the cabin. They're fitted with smoke detectors, and smoking, including the use of e-cigarettes, is not permitted at any time on board. When using the toilet facilities, there should never be more than 2 people queuing at any one time to avoid congestion both in the galley and the aisle areas. If you need to open the lockers during the flight, please take care in case anything is moved and falls out. As a result of the outbreak of COVID-19, we are required by the public health authorities to remind everyone that frequent hand washing is necessary with soap and water, covering your mouth and nose while sneezing or coughing, use a tissue or flexed elbow, and avoid touching your face. Seatbelt sign has been switched on for landing now. Please return to your seats and fasten your seatbelt securely. Ensure cabin baggage is stowed once again safely back into the lockers or underneath the seat in front. Laptop should be switched off and stowed please at this time. Window blinds open, armrests down, and your seat bags and tray tables in their upright lock.